Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video on how you can add description on Facebook group. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then open up your Facebook application, and once you open up your application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then you'll have to tap on the try bar icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, next interface will be directed to menu page, and once you're on this page, tap on groups. Next interface, tap on your group, which is right on top. Then after that, open the group page that you want to add description on. Once you tap on it, your group page will be loaded. Star icon located right on top, just tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other interface you have a list of options. So then you'll have to tap on the gear icon located right in the corner. On the other interface will be directed to the group settings. So you can see under it there are a list of options. Now what you need to do is you'll have to tap on name and description. And after you tap on it, now you'll be enabled to edit your group name as well as your group description. Now what you need to do is just tap on the description. So then type in the description that you want to add it to your Facebook group, and once you're done, tap on save in the top right. Now the description has been added to your Facebook group. And in order to make sure whether the description has been added or not, what you need to do is tap on the arrow icon once again in the top left, and once you're on your profile page, just slightly scroll down. Right over here you can see that the description has been added, and that is how you can add description on your Facebook group. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.